And this is
6,
attempt 3. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Go, 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 go. Oh, we're getting more now. We're getting more. Look like locusts. Oh my God.
It's like something out of Hunger Games.
They're coming down. It's raining drones. Oh man. Somebody's gonna lose an eye. Careful, careful.
One of us needs to get It's Raining Men on our phone and give it to the mic.
The only problem. Thank you.
That woman has sustained an actual drone-based.
All right, we're going to review a video. If we could get everybody who had a drone come a little closer before our other big drones run out of gas, because we are going to take your pictures. Come all the way in. All participants in. Actually, let's get everybody in. Everybody who's out here spectating, come on out on the bowling greens. Let's get your photo really quickly from our drones. You got to hustle, though. They're going to run out of battery. Everybody who's out here, if you'd like to be in the photograph, world record attempt, you're all part of it. Come on in. Hurry, 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 hurry. Drone pilots, if you can get us a few photos from these folks. Quick circle around. Facing the drone out that way and wave.
Facing the drone.
Hey, Ira.
How are you? Wide World of Sports, ACPE's Wide World of Sports. The thrill of victory, and sometimes, maybe like today, the agony of defeat. We're close though. We're going to count the video. We think we were maybe a couple strokes.
Woo! Sorry. I'm not going to kill it. You were trying to kill me.
Yeah.
Oh boy, Jeremy and Matt
Powered on.
with drones.
Dinner is at 6:30. You have plenty of time. Thank you so much for coming out. We'll let you know. We will upload. These will be on the Hula app later. If you checked in late and did not get blue tickets, come
John.
see Jennifer. She is right here in the red, gray, and black. ACPE.